This tutorial will teach the steps to create a Pompadour haircut. Sanitize your hands and equipment before you start your haircut. Start off using your Andis clipper comb that is a contrasting color to the hair you are working on. Tilt the comb at a 45-degree angle and begin by removing the bulk throughout the haircut. Please remain tilting your comb at a 45-degree angle around the curvature of the head. When approaching the separation of your haircut, divide the roundness of the head with your comb. The middle point is where you divide around the parietal ridge. Repeat the same procedure on the other side of the head. Proceed to cut the back with the same technique. Maintain a square shape. Dampen down the top of the hair and find your profile section down the middle. Scissor cut the top of the hair using vertical sections to create a triangle shape. Now work with the layering technique to reduce the weight. Remember to cut over your fingers. Continue scissor cutting to complete the top section. Brush the hair back to connect with the back section. Start cutting the back with a square shape. Remember, always cross-check your haircut before moving to the next section. Apply suitable blow drying product and proceed to blow dry the hair. Blow the hair backward to begin forming the pompadour shape. Start using your master cordless clipper with the number 2 attachment comb to create a guideline. Use the closed blade position on the master cordless clipper to create your baseline. Refine your baseline shape with your master cordless clipper. Using your 0 attachment comb and move the blade to an open position. Please note to use shorter stroke motions. With a closed 0 attachment comb, start to blend the haircut with shorter movement. Now, with your open blade master cordless clipper, start blending the haircut with diagonal movements. Now using your Andis Nation NVLI with 0.5 attachment comb, you will now be using diagonal strokes or diagonal movements to help blend in this haircut. Remove the attachment comb and finish the blend with the blade in the closed position. Now refine your outline with the Cordless T outliner trimmer. Now use your ProFoil shaver to smooth out and remove any unwanted neck hair for a clean, smooth finish. Proceed to finish the back using your number 2 attachment comb on your master cordless clipper. Continue using the master cordless clipper with attachment comb removed to finish the blend. Now using your master cordless clipper with an open, zero attachment comb. Continue with the haircut with your master cordless clipper with a closed zero attachment comb. Now remove your attachment comb off your master cordless clipper and work with diagonal movement to help even out the blend. By using your Supra ZR2 on the top with your T24 blade, which is a thinning blade, you're going to be removing any bulk and also by adding texture throughout the top. By using the clipper in a variety of different sections, you will then be able to add texture and remove any existing weight through the top to make it a lot easier to style the hair. Apply finishing product for the desired finished look. Work into an entire head to have consistent texture throughout. Work hair into desired shape. Use a comb and a pick to refine the final pompadour shape.